Good morning, everyone. Welcome in E-class of Social Science. Students, today in this video, we will continue our chapter number 4 in Geography, that is all about maps. Students, in this chapter, we will continue discussion about two important topics, that is direction and distance. At the very first, we will know about the difference between map and globe. So student, a map is a two-dimensional representation of a certain region of the world. Well, a globe is a three-dimensional representation of the whole of the world. As you can see this image, it is clearly defining about map and globe. But children, we having few limitations with globe, that it is difficult to carry a globe and the space on the globe is limited and detail cannot be shown on it. So, a globe cannot be made for a part of the earth and details of the geographic features cannot be shown on globe properly. So it is not only difficult to make a big size globe but also difficult to handle it. That is why we need something simple and easy to learn about the earth on which we live. Thus we need map. Beta, a map is the representation of the earth as a whole of a part of it, drawn to a scale on a flat surface. बेटा map की जो history है that is very much old. So at the very first it has been started with cartography. So first of all we will know about cartography, that what is cartography. Actually map making is known as cartography. Cartography is the art and science of map making. So जो कार्टोग्राफी का काम करता है that person is known as cartographer. So a map serves two purposes, a tool for storing reference material and a tool for communicating geographical informations. As you can see, this is an example of old cartography. जैसे कि हमारे वर्ल्ड में सबसे पुराना जो कार्टोग्राफी का वर्क शुरू किया गया होगा, it is an example of that one. Now, next one is atlas. What is atlas? An atlas is a collection of maps in an easy to use format. Actually, it is a collection. There may be many maps. So it may be a bunch of maps and just like a book of maps. So maps usually include a gazetteer, so which is an alphabetical listening of map and their pronunciation. Actually in atlas, as you can see, this image is showing the image of atlas. Atlas is very much important because there may be a bunch of maps जो कि एटलस में शो किया जाता है. अलग अलग तरीके के मैप्स को एक ही बुक में शो करना, दैट इज एटलस. But a map is very much important for us and there are many advantages of map. Map are easier to use and easier to carry around. They can show the earth's entire surface on just a small part of a paper actually. As you can also अंडरस्टैंड दिस कि अगर आपको कहीं जाना है या आप जब एग्ज़ाम देते हैं तो आपको मैप दिया जाता है, एक पेपर दिया जाता है एंड उस पेपर पर आप बहुत ही ईजिली जो भी चीज़ें आपसे पूछी जाती हैं आप उसको शो करते हो. तो मैप इज़ वेरी इजी टू यूज़. दैट इज़ वाई ज़्यादातर लोग जो है वो मैप को ही यूज़ करते हैं. एक्चुअली द वर्ड मैप, okay, the word map has been derived from Latin word that is mappo, जिसका मतलब होता है napkin. सो इसीलिए इसका नाम मैप दिया गया एंड मैप कैन बी क्लासिफाइड इन मैनी वेज बट टू ऑफ देम आर मोस्ट यूजफुल. जैसे कि आप ये देख सकते हैं द टाइप्स ऑफ मैप. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू इट्स क्लासिफिकेशन इफ यू टॉक अबाउट, तो अकॉर्डिंग टू स्केल देर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ मैप्स. दोज आर स्मॉल स्केल मैप्स एंड लार्ज स्केल मैप्स. एंड इफ वी टॉक अबाउट द फंक्शंस ऑफ मैप then there may be of three types of map, that is physical map, political map and thematical map. So beta, first of all we will discuss about maps and its type on the basis of a scale. So on the basis of scale, there are two types of map, that is a small scale map and large scale map. So what is the difference between both? So those maps, if we talk about small scale maps, so small scale maps show a very large area with less detail, and that maps in an atlas or the wall map used in classroom, those are small scale maps. And what about large scale maps? Large scale maps show a very small area in detail. So the layout map of a village like and the guide maps of a city, these are the examples of we can say large scale map. Now, on the basis of function, it may be classified into three types, that is physical map, political map and thematical map. So first of all, we will know about physical map. The physical map show the relief feature presence on the earth's surface like mountain, hills, plateau, plains, peaks, valleys, rivers, oceans. So these maps help us to find suitable sites for human settlements, for building roads, railways and for constructions of dams like. So physical map is a map which locates for a specific area which may be suitable for human being. As you can see, this is an example of physical map which is showing the relief features. Next one is political map. But a political map show the boundaries between different countries and boundaries of different political units within a country. So these maps are used as base maps like showing various cultural, historical and economical activities. As you can see, Indian map and another map also, both are here, both are showing here the boundaries of different areas. Next one is thematical map. But a thematic map shows specific type of information such as roads, railways, air routes, distribution of population, condensation of climatic condition of climatic elements and location of mining, industrial areas. तो इन सब चीज़ों को अगर शो करना है तो these type of maps are called thematical map. Well, how can we measure distance? Beta, distance means the space between any two places. Distance can be long or short also. So distance is related to the time taken to reach a destination. Distance mean space between any two places. तो बेटा distance जो होता है, first of all we measure the distance between any two places on the map and relate it to the distance between the same two places on the ground. So distance between any two places on a map measured along a straight line, इट इज़ कॉल्ड मैप डिस्टेंस. जहाँ पर एक ही जैसी स्ट्रेट लाइन के साथ डिस्टेंस को मेज़र किया जाए, दैट इज़ नोन एज मैप डिस्टेंस. सो डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द सेम टू पॉइंट्स ऑन द ग्राउंड मेजर्ड अलॉन्ग अ स्ट्रेट लाइन विच इज़ कॉल्ड ग्राउंड डिस्टेंस. सो बेटा द रेशियो बिटवीन द मैप डिस्टेंस एंड ग्राउंड डिस्टेंस इज कॉल्ड व्हाट? दैट इज़ कॉल्ड स्केल. तो हाउ टू शो अ स्केल ऑन मैप? हम स्केल को मैप पे कैसे शो कर सकते हैं? बेटा मैप are made to scale and map scale explain the ratio of distance. So these both are very much important. If we talk about, then we can take an example that scale on a map can be shown in the following ways. किस तरह से हम scale को show कर सकते हैं? You can see here scale on map. These can be shown by three ways. ठीक है, तीन तरह से हम इसको शो कर सकते हैं. कैसे? बाय अ स्टेटमेंट, बाय अ न्यूमेरिकल फ्रिक्शन एंड बाय अ जोग्राफिकल और लीनियर स्केल. ठीक है, ये तीन इसके तरीके होते हैं. तो बाय अ स्टेटमेंट, जस्ट लाइक इन द स्टेटमेंट मेथड द स्केल इज गिवन इन द वर्ड सच एज 1 सेंटीमीटर इज टू 2 किलोमीटर. जैसे कि 1 सेंटीमीटर को 1 किलोमीटर के हिसाब से शो किया गया और 2 किलोमीटर. सो इन दिस स्टेटमेंट, बिकॉज इट इज़ एन स्टेटमेंट, ठीक है, एक स्टेटमेंट है कि 1 सेंटीमीटर इज शोइंग 2 किलोमीटर और 1 सेंटीमीटर इज द मैप डिस्टेंस एंड 2 किलोमीटर इज द करस्पॉन्डिंग ग्राउंड डिस्टेंस. If we talk about the numerical friction, so one friction is given here, like as you can see in the method, the ratio between the map distance and the ground distance is given as a friction whose numbers is always 1. RF is given here. So RF is equal to map distance upon ground distance. तो इस फ्रिक्शन के हिसाब से इसको सॉल्व किया जा सकता है. एंड इफ वी टॉक अबाउट द थर्ड पॉइंट, दैट इज अ graphic or linear scale. So in this, a map distance is shown with the help of straight line, and line is divided into parts, that is called primary divisions, and first primary division is further subdivided, which is called secondary division. Next we will talk about directions. So beta, there are few important direction, जैसा कि आप लोगों को बताया जा चुका है. तो there are क्लास में भी मैं डिस्कस कर चुकी हूँ. तो directions on the map or on the ground are always shown with respect to the north. So if we know the north, then it is easy to find the other directions, namely those are south, east or west. So there are four important directions, that is east, west, north and south. So beta, once the four main directions are marked, then we can easily find the intermediate directions. Intermediate directions कौन से हैं? North east, south east, northwest, southwest. So there are totally 4 directions and 4 sub directions. So total 8 directions are there. Conventional sign and symbols. Maps are used for recording and showing a variety of information such as political boundaries, relief feature, climatic conditions, distribution of resources, populations. So these are very much important means, and there is not enough space on a map to show the actual size and shape. तो बेटा इन सब को केवल छोटी सी चीज़ के ज़रिए अगर शो करना है तो देयर आर फ्यू साइन एंड सिंबल. जैसे कि आप कभी अगर रोड वगैरह पे ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं तो लेफ़्ट मुड़ने के लिए साइन दिया होता है, रोड ब्रेकर के लिए साइन होता है. तो इसी तरह से मैप पे भी कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट साइन एंड सिंबल्स होते हैं जो कहीं कहीं पर ब्रिज को, रिवर्स, लेक्स, पीक्स, डैम्स, फॉरेस्ट, इन सब चीज़ों को शो करते हैं. तो दीज आर नोन एज कन्वेंशनल साइन एंड सिंबल्स. Our next topic is sketch. Beta, sketch is very much important. Suppose we want to help a new student. जैसे कि आप नए हैं स्कूल में and I want to help you. तो in the classroom to locate and reach the neighborhood bookshop, we would draw a route diagram to road to show where to turn and where the landmarks and all. So just to show the route of that area, we used to draw a sketch. तो with the route diagram, the new student can reach the bookshop easily. जैसे कि अगर कोई न्यू स्टूडेंट है और उसको आसपास का कोई बुक शॉप का, या जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल अगर हम एक एग्जांपल ये ले सकते हैं, लाइक एनी न्यू स्टूडेंट इज़ देयर और उसको मुझे क्लासरूम 6 क्लास का क्लासरूम उसको बताना है कि आपको क्लासरूम में ऐसे जाना है. तो मैं मेन एंट्रेंस गेट से उसके लिए एक रूट बनाना शुरू करूँगी कि फ्रॉम हेयर यू विल टर्न लेफ़्ट, देन यू विल गो स्ट्रेट, देन यू विल टर्न राइट, देन यू विल गो स्ट्रेट, देन देयर विल बी स्टेयर्स, यू विल गो देयर. तो इस तरह से एक स्केच बनाया जाता है, एक रूट का स्केच बनाया जाता है, दैट इज़ नोन एज स्केच. स्केच इज़ अ रूट मैप with outline drawn without a scale or also without the proper use of sign and symbols. Plan. A plan is a drawing of a small area on a large scale. A plan gives confined information about a certain small area. Sometime what happen if you and your family want to shift to a new house? It is an example. So it would be useful to have an accurate map of that house. So it is also called a layout plan. जैसे कि किसी मकान का कोई blueprint है तो that is also a layout plan. That is called plan. This layout plan will show the length and the breadth of each room in the house and height of windows, doors, etc. So such an accurate map of a very small area which shows even the minor details also, it is called plan. So बेटा a plan is always drawn according to a scale. ठीक है, एक प्लान जो होता है वो हमेशा स्केल के अकॉर्डिंग ही बनाया जाता है. Like you can see this is a plan of a school. ठीक है. तो in this a map shows either a large area without detail of a small area in detail also. तो it is a plan of a school कि where is the ground, where is the hallway, where is the we can say grade 4, grade 3, grade 5, everything is showing here in this plan. So a plan is there which is just like a layout of a small area, very small area we can say. So beta, a plan is a large scale map of a very small area showing minute detail. So such a plan of a house or a building plan or a classroom plan, that is very much important for everyone. Well children, I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you.